10 Good Sleep Habits to Improve Quality of Life. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore 10 good sleep habits that improve quality of life. Sleep is fundamental to our health and psyche. By adopting these simple and effective habits, you'll experience better sleep and a more refreshed, active feeling throughout the day. Join us to learn and apply these habits to change your life. 1. Create a regular sleep schedule. It is going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. This habit helps the body to establish a stable circadian cycle. Our biological clock will be adjusted according to this schedule. When you follow a regular sleep schedule, your body naturally knows when to start preparing for sleep and when to wake up. This improves sleep quality, making it easier to fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more alert. 2. Create a comfortable sleeping environment. These elements help to eliminate disruptive factors such as glare, noise, and uncomfortable temperatures, helping to relax the mind and sleep more peacefully. 3. Avoid staying up late and waking up abnormally. It is limiting staying up late past normal hours and not waking yourself up irregularly at inappropriate time frames. This habit is very important to protect sleep health. When we avoid staying up late and keep a regular sleep schedule, the body adjusts to the natural cycle of circadian rhythms, which improves sleep quality. Instead of waking up irregularly and messing with the sleep sequence, a regular sleep routine helps the body adapt and get ready for a new day, helping to stay mentally refreshed and productive in work and daily life. 4. Control the time of day sleep. Do not sleep too much during the day to ensure adequate and deep night sleep. This routine helps maintain a steady sleep schedule and enhances sleep quality. If we sleep too much during the day, the body may not be tired enough and cannot go into a deep sleep at night. However, if we control the time of sleep during the day appropriately, we will have better night sleep, helping to feel more awake and refreshed throughout the day. 5. Relax before going to bed. It is taking time to reduce stress and eliminate psychological stress before preparing for sleep. This habit is very important for deeper and sound sleep. When we relax before bedtime, the body and soul will be relaxed, helping to eliminate negative influences from the surrounding environment. Relaxing before bed can be done by reading a book, listening to soothing music, turning off the quiet lights, or doing relaxation exercises. 6. Limit the use of caffeine and alcoholic beverages. Both caffeine and alcohol have a negative effect on sleep and disrupt our sleep cycles. Caffeine is a stimulant found in coffee, tea, energy, and many other beverages. When too much caffeine is consumed during the day, it can make it difficult to fall asleep and disrupt deep and restful sleep. Alcohol also has the effect of causing insomnia and reducing the quality of sleep, leading to poor sleep and easy awakening at night. 7. Make a habit of exercising. When we exercise regularly, the body is stimulated and expended energy, helping to reduce stress and reduce anxiety. Exercise habits also help improve blood circulation and hormone balance, helping to create favorable conditions for us to have a good and deep sleep. In addition, exercise also helps improve fitness, lose weight, and enhance health, helping us to be more confident and active in daily life. 8. Avoid overeating in the evening. When we eat too much in the evening, especially heavy and high-calorie foods, the body will need to digest a lot while preparing for bed. This can cause discomfort, indigestion, and insomnia. Besides, eating too much in the evening can lead to weight gain and digestive problems. Instead, limit eating in the evening and eat a light, easy-to-digest snack that will help the body naturally relax and get ready for sleep. 9. Adjust the light in the bedroom. When we limit light in the bedroom, especially glare from lamps, cell phones, or electronic devices, we help our bodies create a darker and more comfortable environment for relaxation. Bright light can mess with your sleep cycle and inhibit the body's production of melatonin, the body's natural sleep hormone. By regulating light, the body can adjust to the natural biorhythm and help us fall asleep more quickly and easily. 10. Consider health issues. When we take care of and care about our health, especially sleep-related problems such as insomnia, sleep disorders or poor sleep, we can find the cause and the appropriate support solution. A health review also helps detect other health problems that can affect sleep, such as medical conditions or hormonal dysfunction. By understanding and addressing related health issues, we can improve the quality of our sleep, help our bodies and minds relax more, and feel refreshed and more active in our daily lives. Hopefully, the information on 10 good sleep habits will be useful and contribute to improving your quality of life. If you find this video useful, press the like button and share the video to spread the word. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next useful videos from us. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment below. Wishing you a good night's sleep and a life full of energy. See you in the next videos.
Thank you for watching. Please click like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel.